second pole we fi kuma se be piem wo Accra Ankoye Kotoko won aso mo trainer da na woka
nya ane dem ra ho pa sise me hwe bom me wo sene nya me firi kuma si abe hwe bo wa pa na me bai pa trainer tim bien che tim o ko eyi o mo dafo adabi dem ra ho pa ane dem ra ho Kotoko pa ni Odie unim Odie nkama osie ni baabi ani fo na eda soro Odie nkama ma baabi ani fo nhye ne hu se baabi ani da soro to mo pelig na din to ma hye ti mo wo lo a omo ko minya ende mani abre ende ma super
Munas match Sunday Muni Nation I don't know expect if you boys know
ende Sunday ende Nation de ne omo na Sunday the Nation the no mo except you be try train o hand Sunday the ni be nyina ko so Nation for so tinambo Sunday the what's up around to make us a ma me wura ho pa me nya
yeah the American say e yare ho pa because a team like Asante Kotoko in Africa has say no crap on the way you would pa ni ko say to me gina ma yen disrespect Accra Lions there but ball we am the boy technically in there hands down o ma share totally she knew an anka say betumi aye but your coach no your set pieces as say o ye hu adwuma na aside that no so the technical no enkoye kra kwan fa so opposing the ball no because who you be a woda for ma ya show 2-0 and I say 3-0 and you go opposing ball no medal nko a say ma ranks no ye adwuma because also players who dey on buy now energy be also inside any enim and Patrick say the ball no ball who say wa ble but you knew the reason why yes Inti sesi ane ye ko na yakɔhwɛ de betuma ye ni Nation wa match a tough match esa ne big matches so eti House of Folks so esa to aso nti ye beto ye best say match na to aso ni na ye bebo am secret 44 na ye betra am so munya am abotre am ko ma akoma ntom ye na ye be bounce back na ya be gina strong cap no de say na e da so ye na so a ye nja am
Chamai and over studio ba kai say mbo wini Ankoye I don't know what can
very painful very abysmal performance and Bibusa mo say I don't the team to keep on declining I didn't try then they keep on declining because me wuru coach fingerprint our team so I don't see it me wuru because ball I say became ball to cancel and not the same thing and they was a Accra with all due respect then was Accra to say Kotoko 3-0 they went so we had no antidote to their play no antidote as if so we had no coach at the bench but okay supporter bia or no 1-2 can fear no can say we no but we will not stop talking me nobody has supported this coach than me last season Pamu players no me call support radio so call me yeah rebuttal say coach in Pamu player Kotoko that Pamu players so where then you say catch I'm telling you please we are going to a lot of pains and then the Benegos are winning 2-0 Nations after unit they Kotoko batted very painful
Munas match Muni Nation I don't know expect
very tough game very say near ball no there then we have you want to compare you want to compare I'm telling you have to change your ball corners 14 corner back 14 corners their bonus sa ne bono in fact very painful me free mercy my brother ha the same no say menasi kuma sa china me call my 8 o'clock very painful ukaso bekasa why you end up crying you end up stepping but media me never see me shout out Kotoko mo technical bench obi akot players ni coach na munya ya employ omo they can go one day but me I'm going nowhere standing man ko we have to say it as it is any man ko the coach must sit up the coach and players they must all sit up when they come there go very painful na say nipa ma park you ye bechem ye player mama ba park you must have to support us now very painful bro very painful
in fact I am here pa and now we ball Kotoko ball across sports stadium abeka say say be division 3 team some players be o minimum come fast so mo ti be ewura team yes technical team no gum ya diwedi ya taweti sa che players how dey o man say Kotoko che answer na obese Kotoko jesi e wo Ghana e say we player out say we quality na che players be o dey man say be yanum kwa yen kokwa kwa betu abobo no bi ase say na bi ni mu bo nti e say ogum kwan fast so the players in break Kotoko ne nyi and now we shall born on Mobona, we a friend saying, Samba Onella, Omo Macanina and Park and Asanya, Sabu, Omutuan when I crowd. And the any nations in the ye catch your goon, so on my 3 points. On my typical league in the yet me FA Cup on account.
Sir, players who are bro. As if they don't want to play for the coach. As if we don't know, because why can the two defenders be standing? And then the why can the defender say strikers back around? On back around, fast, on far, no far, on that show 3 deal. Team, but wait. Team, where's your training? Wait, I can't of lion. I can't of lion. Senior, in fact, I me who they amicable. Me who they amicable. Say you're all good, and yo. Say players who don't play some bomber all good. Say players who na bro. Charlie. We don't. It's okay.
Yes, I'm highly disappointed, especially the coach, because when you are on the war front, you don't start a game with your weak players. You start with your best players because you are locking horns with a team. You understand? You are locking horns on, over the first spot with a team going away, who is a team which is capable of winning away game. And you are playing at Accra Sports Stadium, not any other venue than Accra Sports Stadium. Then you lose 3 goals to 0. It doesn't look promising that you can win the league. Where else again can you win? Tell us. You lose in Kumasi and Accra Sports Stadium. All the supporters here are Kotoko supporters, and you can't win here. That's a problem. I think that the coach, enough is enough. Even if he wins the league, they should allow him to go. You wouldn't help. Kotoko be humiliated for so many years under this coach. We know Kotoko, we know the team, we know the pedigree. Kotoko, when we want to win the league, we don't lose games against set teams. You understand? Next time investor, it drives, it reverse investors. You understand? If somebody wants to invest in the team, playing like this in Accra Sports Stadium, get people to reverse them. So they should set up, do away with Coach Ogum. The propaganda for him is been sustaining him for so many years. How can you drop Kwame Poku, you drop Blay, and you drop Baba Yara? These are your best players. You start the game with your best players. Spark it with your best players. You don't do experiments. You don't disrespect your opposing team just like that. You understand? So, yeah, because I'm disappointed. You know, the painful thing is that some of us, we don't get opportunity to watch Kotoko. You get me? Because we are in Accra. So for once, we get opportunity once or twice. But you be coming here, then your wailing will be meeting this kind of quote-unquote. You understand? So it's some way. That's what we can say. That you struggle to win in a home game, you struggle to win a away game. So what is the coach sitting there do? Look at the white coach. This white coach, the white coach of Accra Lions, will win this game with this Kotoko players hands down. I'm telling you. The likes of Bashiri Hilford, they are experienced players. This coach like too much English. A dictionary, a last page or last page English dictionary, then you be bombarded people with technicalities and legalities in the game. We know how to watch football. We started watching football in 1984. I've been watching Kotoko. We know Kotoko. My brother, they were just playing to the final whistle. And people even think that it was a first game. What was it, a first match? Everything was not moving as ought to be. You understand? The midfield are not working. The attacking network were hopeless.
Mama, Accra Lions more winning. As much as Kotoko 3-0, I don't know what.
The best marker said, "Nasia Bema Yankoponi players, new coaching staff, and your supporters said you might be on my day. On my Yama players, no. Your Papa team is a team in the free relegation one time. You are to say a free away and crown your domestic supporters to say a domestic. Then show be a Lions say, Marina, and crowning their day about somebody more money paying for no. ɔmo first can share team nim na ɔmo nye team ni ye also dey support every team na chi
mo of him say mo team escape relegation
na escape kura wie because Kotoko enebo na ne Kotoko abo ne dey bibi atra say ya wie Lions you lucky oh Accra Sports Stadium
ọba tayo ni ache o ọba tayo ni ache